What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna be reviewing these Digitek Platinum batteries and with the charger and stuff. I'm just showing you with one battery here because the other battery is on the camera with which I'm shooting this video. And let me actually tell you, I did an unboxing video after buying these Digitek batteries and the chargers. I have tried to explain every detail of it, like how the charger looks and how is the build quality and stuff. You can watch that unboxing video if you want. This is gonna be a full review of the batteries because it's been about 1 year and about 4 months or 5 months that I have been using these batteries with my Canon 200D. I have seen a lot of questions which says if the Canon 700D will support it, if the Canon 200D will support it. Well, it's very simple. If your camera has a E17 battery, original Canon battery right here, which looks in this black color, if it's a E17, then this is the battery for you. And there are also other models available. And with the Digitek batteries, in my opinion, you get a very good deal because you get 2 separate batteries and with a charger which has 2 separate ports. One is everyone's favorite, USB-C. The other one is not that much favorite, but it still works. That is the micro USB port. It has a display which actually shows the batteries like bars. It doesn't show the exact percentage, but it shows in bars if it's full or not. The charging time is pretty fast. I would say if you use a fast USB-C charger, it will be charged pretty fast. For 2 batteries, if they are completely drained, it will take about 1.5 hours. Within 1.5 hours, it will be charged on both batteries pretty much, even if you have almost completely drained your battery. Now let's talk about the battery life actually between both of these, the original and the Digitek one. So with these like 2 batteries, I would say the battery life on both of these are very different. Even though the original battery's price is about like 4,000 rupees or something like that, like I'm talking just the single original battery. It's very expensive from Canon, I think 3,000 or 4,000 just for one battery. Here you will get 2 Digitek batteries with the charger in about below 2,500 rupees. So that's really cheap. And I have to say the battery differences are mentioned. If you just straight up look at the specification, the original battery right here is about 1040 mAh and the Digitek Platinum one is 1250 mAh as mentioned in here. And it's not just mentioned over here. I have actually tested both of them. Let me tell you how much time you can shoot. I shoot on 1080p 50 fps, and with that I would say yes, my Canon's original battery has degraded a lot, but even when it was completely normal, I couldn't even shoot 2 30 minutes videos with this. That's how it is, like maximum whenever I charged it fully right away. If I try to shoot, yes, I could shoot 2 30 minutes videos with this original battery. So after 2 to 3 years of usage of the original battery, I would say yes, it has degraded a lot that I cannot even complete shooting more than 20 minutes of videos with this. So this is the condition of this 1040 mAh battery, the original one. And let me tell you how much you can shoot with the Digitek Platinum batteries. If you just charged it fully, and let's assume you just start shooting after 10 minutes after that, after charging I mean, so after full charging, you just start to shoot. From then, it can record almost 4 30 minutes videos, or it will be about 2 hours worth of footage if you shoot on 1080p 50 fps or 1080p 60 fps, you can say. The battery is that good. Very good battery life that I have been getting with this Digitek Platinum, and this is what I'm talking about with the single Digitek Platinum battery. If you just like imagine if you have full charge 2 of these batteries, you can have 4 hours of shooting straight up. So that's really awesome. Yes, you have to swap the batteries after 2 hours, but that's normal. So you straight up get 4 hours of usage with these batteries within 2,500 rupees. That's a really good deal in my opinion, and these batteries has been working really well for me. Only one con I would say about these batteries is that the batteries bar in the camera and stuff, it doesn't really show properly. Let me actually give you an example. So I'm shooting this video right now, and here you can see this battery is fully charged, and here it only shows that it has full battery, of course, but this battery bars doesn't decrease fast. It just stays like that for a long time. And then when the batteries are actually low, or it has reached almost the lower stage, only then it will show up its half. And just after about like 10 minutes, it will show red blinking icon. I didn't actually let it shut down completely, but yeah, I would say it goes in very low stage and then it shows up in the Canon 200D's battery section. Whenever you're shooting, you'll see that in the screen. But let me explain the charging situation with these because it's a little bit confusing. With this Digitek charger, you can actually charge your original Canon's battery, and you will be also able to charge the Platinum Digitek batteries with this particular charger. So the Digitek charger works for all the Canon Platinum batteries, but the original Canon's charger will not be able to charge the Digitek Platinum batteries. So that's how it is, and it fits perfectly fine. It's just fit like this. And yeah, both I can charge by just plugging in a USB-C cable or a micro USB cable right now. So if you're traveling or something like that, this charger will come in handy for your Canon 200D. And this is one of the best implementations that I have seen for these third-party kind of chargers. One more thing that I wanted to talk about is that sometimes whenever you just keep them for about 2 days without charging and stuff, if you put them back on charging, it will take half an hour to actually charge these batteries fully. But of course, if you're gonna shoot a video with your camera, if you have planned for that, you will of course charge these batteries first. Then you start shooting, then you will get the best battery backup with these. That's how it is. If you keep these batteries a lot on idle condition for 2 days, 3 days or a week, yes, they will drain to about up to 50%, but you will still be able to shoot 1 hour of footage with that. You won't be totally drained with the batteries. Of course, it won't give you 2 hours of those battery life, huge battery life. But if you just keep it charging for about 10 to 20 minutes, it will be again fully charged. Then you can use these batteries to shoot about that 2 hours of maximum kind of footage time. So this is one point I thought I should mention. So for a general measurement, you can just look at the charger from far away. If you see this white light right here, that simply means that both batteries are charging. And if you just cannot notice this white light, that simply means they have reached the full charge state. And the charger itself, it's very light. It's much more lighter than the original charger. And here you will see the USB-C port and the micro USB port right here. You can use any micro USB charger or USB-C charger, and you can also use a power bank to charge these batteries. And on the inside, we have this kind of copper pin. You just look at this indent on the right bottom corner, align them with the batteries. This is the bottom corner over here with the batteries. So I'll just align them on the bottom right, and then I'll just insert it and they will be inserted perfectly. So if you are looking for a E17 charger or E17 battery replacement for your Canon 200D, this is gonna be a really good purchase. And even the sales are coming up, so it will be, I think, available around 2000 rupees. Right now it's almost 2338 or something like that. The last time I saw the whole package of this charger and 2 batteries. So yeah, definitely you can go for them if you want to. This is my full review after using them about 1.5 years, you can say. So I would say it's definitely worth purchasing the replacement batteries if your Canon's original battery has gone. And of course, the links as usual will be present down in the description. Do use those links if you want to help this channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video with your friends if you feel like. This is Tito from KTNTECH signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next time. And do hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm. Bye now.